Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's officially welcome you then to the Art of Co-Living Incubator Demo Day. It's a big honor to have you here today, and especially because today marks a day in which we're gonna hear from fellow co-living founders and entrepreneurs and hear their stories and what they're building and how you can learn from them and also get involved in their projects. So myself, my name is Guy Perdry. I'm one of the co-founders of Art of Co here with my dear co-founder Mayank.
Hi everyone.
And what Mayank and I have been working on over the last years has been really this mindset of how can we help creating businesses or financially stable co-living spaces that are also very community driven. And the way that we see the journey of a co-living entrepreneur is that there's 5 main stages. We have an acronym that we call CLOSE. And the idea is this, that usually a co-living founder starts with a concept. So in that conceptualization phase, you need to create your business model, your type of units, your brand, and figure out also how you're going to fund that project. In the second stage, in the launch stage, is when you build up everything for the launch. It's when you have to implement your first marketing, your first technology, hiring your first team. And then you get into the third stage where it's really about becoming good at operations. You start operating for a year or two until you can finally scale up, replicate your system, and then eventually find an exit strategy. An exit doesn't mean that you have to sell the business. It means also what is next for you as a person. And so what we're doing is we're helping with Art of Co to help these entrepreneurs go from different stages and help them with the different topics that they're struggling with and that they have to deal with, including community building, technology, and marketing. And now, while over the last year, we've been able to develop quite a few amount of resources, one of the things that we've been most proud of is our recent program that was the Co-Living Incubator. And today, we have the chance to see what is the result of that 3-month program and what are co-living founders and entrepreneurs going to share with us based on where they are today. So quick thing, the co-living incubator was a 3-month program that started in January 15th. And the idea was to mix advisory with group masterminds. So every 2 weeks, we came together as a group. We had 8 co-living founders and 7 projects. And we would have also guest mentors during these masterminds and also use them as a time to educate, but also share insights between each other. And on top of that, we then had bi-monthly advisory calls. And this was one-on-one to make sure that the person was able to also follow the strategy and put the right things into place. And so just to give you an overview also, here's the schedule that we ran through. As you can see, we started with concepts, then went over the business models, entrepreneurship, until resident experience, operations, and tech, while having some continuous flow and ending today with the Art of Co Demo Day. So that's for some context. We're also very happy and honored to be joined by some amazing mentors across these masterminds that shared their time, their knowledge and insights, and also offered some further mentorship sessions. So thank you, all of you, for being part of this first incubator. And now we have this demo day in place because at the end of incubators and accelerator programs, usually it's the time to then put these projects and these people into the next direction. And the demo day is here so that you can witness the co-living companies and projects that are going to be launched very soon. And for you to also understand how you can get involved, whether it's a partner, investor, or even potentially resident. So without further ado, we have 7 amazing projects represented by 8 amazing founders today. We're going to start with David Huff, who's going to share with us about his concept Beacon Co-Living, Gonzalo Hall with Nomad X Living, followed by Leo Olivos with Kua Living, Danny Kuo with Fellow Square, and then eventually Rosella Rousseau with Our Haven Co-Living, Tiger Lee with Solo Senior Co-Living, and Hannah Annemarie with La Joie Home Base. And so, ladies and gents, without further ado, I would love to invite the first presenter of today. Please give a big round of applause for David Huff with Beacon Co-Living.